Hello everyone. Welcome to my live show. Let me introduce our company, Bien Decoration Materials Company, Limited. It is a factory with 25 years of experience in wooden product production. It has a professional team to serve you. Our factory is more than 200 workers and manufacturing shop is about 40,000 square meters, with quality inspection and control of good quality. Development and design to serve customers. Our products mainly include wooden skirting, wall panels, crown lines, picture frame lines, mirror frame lines. All kinds of colors and styles can be customized. Product quality. The material of the line is mainly made of pine wood. After drying, the humidity is controlled below 10 degrees. There is no stuttering. Every meter is cut and then finger jointed and plain. After the wood is formed, it is painted and polished. The surface is flat and smooth, which is convenient for guests to paint, and can also be customized according to the color of the guests. The product can be used for hotel interior decoration, home villas, office places, and various interior decorations can be customized according to orders. 1. Skirting molding baseboard. Skirting molding baseboard is the most popular product for most customers. The thickness is 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 15 millimeters, 18 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 25 millimeters, 30 millimeters. The height of the line is 50 millimeters, 80 millimeters, 100 millimeters, 120 millimeters, 150 millimeters, 180 millimeters, 200 millimeters. The color is mainly white. The color and specifications can also be customized according to the order. The minimum order quantity is 1,000 meters per style. 2. Crown molding. The crown line ceiling line can be customized according to the customer's order. The thickness can be customized from 8 millimeters to 50 millimeters according to the customer's needs. The height can also be customized from 50 millimeters to 500 millimeters according to the customer's needs. The minimum order quantity is 1,000 meters. 3. Wall decor molding. The wall line is 50 millimeters high to 20 millimeters. And the thickness is 15 millimeters to 30 millimeters according to the customer's order. The hot sale popular molding with metal strips is golden and rose gold. These are luxury styles and look very luxurious. If your house is decorated with this line, it will look like a palace. Specifications and colors can be customized according to customer requirements. 4. Wall panels. The thickness of the wall panels ranges from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters and can be customized according to order requirements. There are grooves on the side of the wall panels for easy installation by customers. The main color is white and can also be customized according to customer requirements. 5. Door frame molding. Door frame lines can be customized according to the whole set of specifications according to orders. The color is white or customized according to the customer's order color. The price is favorable. Factory direct sales price, high quality and professional service will definitely satisfy you. 6. Next, we want to recommend picture frame molding. Our factory started with the production of oil paintings and then made picture